Just gonna add my name on the end and see what happens. Whoa, look at that. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some custom options in Midjourney so that way you don't have to constantly type so much when you're entering your prompts. So let's get started. So there's a few options here I want to look at. If I go to / and then type in prefer, you see we've got a few options here such as prefer options list and options set. If I open prefer options list, you can see here I've actually got a custom command, and whenever I type that in, -- Wade, I get this aspect ratio, test P, and creative. So how exactly do we set that? It's pretty easy. I hit / prefer option set, and I can actually type in the name of the set. So let's say let's just say YT. I can hit tab a few times until value pops up, and I can give it an aspect ratio of 16:9, so that it's like a video aspect ratio. I can give it the test algorithm. I can also make it, let's see, creative, and I can also even just go -- video if I want it to create a video that I can download. I can add in all this stuff, and all I have to do after I hit enter is type in -- YT. So now if I go in imagine -- YT, you can see here it's added in the aspect ratio, the test, the creative, and the video. So I only have to type in -- YT to get all those things now because I've created a preferred option set. It's cool. I've got my epic explosion in the kitchen. I can upscale it. I can also add my envelope react, and I get my video. So you see how quick and easy it is to do that. So what if I don't want to type anything at all? If you're busy creating something and you've got a particular set of parameters you keep having to type in, there's a shortcut for that also. If I type in prefer suffix, you see here I click that, and if I hit tab until I get new value, I can type in what I want to automatically add. So I can say AR 2 to 3 from aspect ratio -- test -- creative, and hit enter. So this time when I type in something, it automatically adds in those codes. And I didn't have to type those in, which is pretty cool. But one problem you might come across, which I did, is how do you actually get rid of that automatic suffix? You got to type something else in there, such as, you know, and you get errors because it's actually trying to use two modes. Well, it's simple. Type in prefer suffix, and before you type anything, just hit enter, and the suffix has now been removed. So pretty cool, pretty easy way just to really optimize your Midjourney prompting and get things working a little bit better for you and a bit quicker. So if you're doing a lot of images, this is a great way to speed things up. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to check out my other videos on Midjourney. Otherwise, have a great day, and I hope to see you again soon.